Hi, I'm going to explain this game I've found on the internet. Somebody suggested I make it. I cut it out on my laser and I shared it on my Facebook page. And it's called Drop Penny. So the first person rolls the dice and he rolls a 1. Well, he puts it in the 1 penny slot. And then he can roll again and he rolls a 4. Well, he can either pass it to the next person or try one more time. And he rolls a 5, he's way ahead. Now he would want to pass it because there's only 3 slots left. And if he happens to roll a 4, a 5, or a 1, he has to take his pennies back. So he's going to take it to the next person. The next person, everybody starts out with 12 pennies. They roll and they roll a 2. Every person has to roll at least once. This person doesn't want to roll, so he passes it to the next person. This person rolls a 3. He passes it. This person rolls a 3. That person has to take all the pennies. And now they've got that much. So it turns back to this person. He rolls a 5. He rolls a 2. He can take a chance. Oh, he rolls a 3, but he passes it to this person. This person has to roll. He rolls a 2. He busts. So now this player is way ahead. The only way to get rid of the pennies is if you roll a 6. So that person rolled a 6. That penny goes in the box. He can roll again. He rolls a 1. He rolls a 3. He's going to chance it, and he rolls a 4. He doesn't want to bust, so he rolls it, turns it to this person. Oh, this person takes a 1, so he gets those pennies back. So every time you roll a 6, a penny goes into the box. You have to pass it, or you don't have to pass it, but you have to roll if you get past the game. And then, of course, all the pennies are in the bottom part of the box, and they easily come out. So the winner is the person who has all of his pennies gone. Pretty simple, pretty easy game. Like I said, I shared this on my Facebook page. And if you'll CorelDRAW share file, if you're not familiar with that. And you don't have to use the dice that comes on the file. You could use a regular dice, but since it matches the board, it's pretty good. Have fun. Thank you.